Everyone, there's a new update on Animal Company. It's back. Hi. Oh my god. Stay. It's back. It's back. Come back of the century, mate. Wait. Where's the grave of the night? Right, Dougie, I'm recording a video, by the way. Just join, you know, the code. I'm going up when you're there, so then the video can hear you now. I know, but what about that? What about the time when I said yeah, Freddy? Remember? Yo, stack up on snowballs, because we need loads of snowballs. Wait, I've just realised. Wait, how are how are snowballs gonna be rare though anymore? If every Christmas you can just get like stacks of them. I don't get how they do. I've already got a bag full of snowballs. But I know I have no space, so I need to make some space quickly. Alright, I need to keep. Hello! Oh, are you already in?
You can hear us and up. Yeah, you can hear us and both. Wait, the map changed! Yo! Some machines over here now.
That's OJAC back, I think. If that is though, I'm actually playing. You know how we don't play in the Animal Company now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start flying it if it's like OJ. Yo, apparently the bit where the present is, you can break the present and then...
Wait, are we gonna put more snowballs in?
What?
We can even sell snowballs. I'm gonna put a snowball in there.
Put a bag in where I think you can you?
Yeah, I'm gonna...
Can we go and... Stay...
Yeah, I think we're done.
Yo, it looks the same, but I think Graveyard... I mean, it was about time Graveyard got removed, actually, because it's not Halloween, is it? Get into the Christmas spirit. Na, 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 right, you ready to go?
Bro, it's so cold.
Shave out me fucking dimbas, bro.
Wait, I think I need to get a grappler. Yeah.
You didn't really need a grappler in case we die, but I'm not. If I die, I didn't want to spend more money on a grappler, so.
Who wants to see my 24 karat gold bag of heart guns?
You want to say my 24 karat gold Labubu? Let's find it.
Wait, is that a thing in Animal Company?
Yeah, I don't know why it isn't.
They brought Labubus to this game.
Yeah, look.
Wait. What the hell? You wanna see mine?
Yeah, one.
It's raining tacos.
Yo, look, this is my 24 karat gold Labubu.
The shit book.
Right, let's go to the thingy.
Wait, first I gotta do something for your channel.
What?
I gotta tell your channel something.
What?
I won't get here. Get here. I won't get here. I can't. It's Dia Simpson.
Wait, I'm gonna do it. So it's
I can't.
I gave you comedy coins. Gem.
I can't.
It's Dia Simpson. No, you say this. It's Dia Simpson, and he ran off.
It's Dia Simpson.
But on a literal gets stuck in the eyes like it's Dia. Right, let's go to the lake.
Wait, let me get the dogs.
I think I might start grinding Animal Company, you know. Main game now. Yo, wait. OG Lake, I'm not even lying. Look. You remember last year's wait, can you still you remember the thing with what's it called again?
I wanna open the present.
You have to hit Yo, there's also, you know, the OG crates, the bar. I want to get one.
Did you stop?
No, I'm still alive. Yo, there's OG. Can't I need to get those OG items? There's OG crates. No, don't bring a tiny one. I'm going to chase by the clown.
Oh shit! Fuck! Shit!
Come
Dick,
here.
shit! I can't.
It's Dia's I don't
Go
know.
back to lake.
Yeah, but I've got to watch
I'm
out.
just gonna grapple on the walls and the ceiling. They
Yeah.
can't get us.
And do not fall if you have a tiny grappler in your hand right now.
I literally got the tiniest one that I can like. I think it's the tiniest one ever made.
I think I've got one. I don't know.
Like it's you can't even see it. It's not even in my hand. But when I shoot it.
Yo, wait, all the monsters are gone. Let's go. Oh, they've just respawned. Help! No! No! No, what are you doing there? No! No. I'm choking this guy out. I see my wall running. Yo, you see my wall running right now. You see there? I surrender. Wait, I do not want to go. Wait, if I go to the other side, I can get. It's Dire Zim Zim. He's in the ground. Can you see him?
Why does he look like that?
I can do it. Yeah. Who wants him over there? Yo, you can get the dragon pistols. Look at this. Help! Dougie, I've got, you know that red dragon pistol? Dougie, if I get these away, can you save this for us? Wait, I'll touch you. Sorry. That guy's slow. Hey, these are rare, these guns. They might not be. Huh. No. We shouldn't be able. He didn't to me. Oh my god. Everyone, OG Animal Company. It's finally back. Everyone, we're going to be seeing a lot more Animal Company videos now, so yeah, just get ready. Daily Animal Company video though. It would have just. I'll probably not record any for a bit and then just post like loads so for the other days. Cause like it's also hard sometimes so for me just to always post like long videos.
Help! I'm trying to get back in the bunker too! Ah!
Will you be after me now or I'll just run in? I see. I know that happens. I wanna. Nah, I really wanna get those cool items though. God's sake. Do you think we'll both try to get one? Oh. What? 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 Oh, that? No. Wait, what do you mean about it? Oh, you're right. Hello. I'm coming. Yeah, I want to get the red items. You can't. It's kind of hard because you can't grapple on the metal because... Wait, can you? Wait, can you...
No, you don't.
Why'd they remove that? I don't know. Right, you know what I'll do?
Yeah.
Shall I make a run? Get some red items if I can.
I'll put this in my hip slot.
No, I need it.
Oh,
Need to
alright.
get
I thought you were just ditching the grappler.
Nah, I need to get that.
I believe in you, Corey.
It's time. Everyone, we need locking, mate. If we want to even get a single thing. Robot dog. No, everything's despawned. But how do I kill them? How do I kill them? Oh, you're on the ship. Dougie, I'm gonna go and kill them. Should I risk it? Even... No, it's not in the ship. I'm gonna go and... I'm bringing bombs. I know it barely works. Oh, you nearly dead? Yo! Phew! Where's that? I swear to God if that... If I can get underneath us, I'll drop a grenade on it. Go on. Wait, you can't kill him? I'm so dumb. I'm not really bothered, but you can't kill him, remember? Yeah. How do you get rid of him then? But how do... Yeah, but you can't get you once you're like... Wait, has it reset? Would it just go away? Piss off it. Sometimes though they just come out of nowhere. Mate, you wanna risk it and jump over? I'm gonna do my gorilla attack. Slip slap! Oh, the thing we just found. Yeah, it's really links. No, it's poopy tag. Yeah, there's a game called Poopy Tag. It's also called chair or table. It's good. Right. Do you want to quickly try join a new code? I want to open that present, but I want to get items. Yo, where are you going? I can see you. Yo, what is this? Yo, you wanna go to the fair with us, mate? Oh, it's closed, man. Piss off. It's closed. Should go on through this line. You can't grapple on. So just run steadily. No. Bro, how long have you not played in? What? That, no! There's a bit that literal knocks you off. That you saw that, didn't you? I was running straight. How the hell fell off? It knocked us off. I think it's a barrier. Barrier bit, I think. Mine looks a lot different. Thingy, I know this thingy. I bet. You know what? I'm risking it and I'm trying to get an item. If any monster comes near to him, I'm literal jumping up. I'm doing a shockwave with the impact grenade. It won't even work. It has once worked though. There's no items? No. F off, mate. A snowball's even rare anymore. You can just have snowballs on the floor. How much does a snowball sell for? Let's see how much a snowball sells for you. Oh, snowball sells for now. Nah, Animal Company might be back in its prime though. Do you think it could be? You know what I wish is OG Suez and OG first came back. That's what made the game bad though. Literal. Bro, snowball's even gonna be rare though. No wait, I think 99 nights is still here. I'm gonna bring RPG to the thingy and just blow. Let's go and get.